Would you like to create the bill of materials and terminal chart for your project in less than 5 seconds with just one sentence? Let's ask WSCAD AI Copilot to do that for us. Let's get started. We are the first and only ECAD software to integrate AI into the design process. Need help using the software? Just ask any question. Simple questions like how to change the language in the software, or more complex like which cross-section to use for a specific current. AI Copilot is the smart assistant for WSCAD. Want to speed up the tasks? Let AI write commands for you, like in here, instantly generating the bill of materials and terminal chart. Do you need deeper insights? WSCAD AI Copilot can analyze your project, find the symbols without a part assigned to them, and even detect errors before they become problems. Work smarter, faster, and with confidence with WSCAD AI Copilot.